Hi dear students, in today's class we will have the revision of chapter 16, The Victory. And this is a story written by Manorama Jaffa, and the main character discussed here in this story it is Alexander the Great, and he is considered one of history's most successful commanders. And he had, so in this story we will see that Alexander, he wanted to invade India or conquer India. With that purpose, he came to India and he attacked India. And he defeated the king Puru, and then he went in order to find out, in order to see the countryside. So he came to India, defeated Indian king. Then after defeating the Indian king, he just wanted to see the Indian countryside. So he went to the villages. And what he noticed there, many women and children, they were weeping and crying because they lost their husband, and the children, they lost their parents. But he did not have any kind of sympathy on the women and children. And then he went to the forest side. So after visiting the villages, he went to the forest side, and what he noticed there, he found that few Indian saints, they were performing some kind of pujas, and he noticed that they were half naked. And when Alexander saw that these saints were half naked, he felt pity on them, and he ordered his generals to bring some kind of woolen clothes. So Alexander and his generals and his troop, they came with blankets and other woolen clothes for the saints. But the saints, they did not pay attention towards Alexander and his army. So Alexander was irritated, but he did not reveal that, and he just approached one saint and he just introduced himself to the saints that he is Alexander the Great. Then the saint asked, "What do you want from us, my dear son?" So after hearing that question from the saint, the Alexander, he was surprised because actually he was there to give something to the saints, but the saints, they now asked to Alexander the Great, "What do you want from us, my dear son?" So he was shocked, and he then replied to the saint that we are not here to seek some kind of help from you, but we are here to help you. We are here to give something to you because I am Alexander the Great and I have conquered your India. Then the saint asked Alexander the Great, how can a conqueror become a robber and a giver at the same time? It was a challenging question, and the saint again said to Alexander the Great, in order to conquer the hearts, in order to conquer the people, first conquer the hearts of the people with the love and care, and that is the true victory. So after hearing this, Alexander was shocked, and he just went back to his tent without speaking much. And then he ordered to his generals that don't attack India anymore, and he went back to his country. So from this story, what we can understand, the true victory, it is not depending on violence or any kind of attacks, but it is through love we have to conquer the minds of people, not with the power or force or violence, but with the love towards other people we have to conquer other person. So I hope that this story is clear. Go through the story, and if there is any doubts, contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.